white, pink, blue, and purple. Greetings everyone. Welcome to our lesson where we're going to learn some shapes and colors today. And in a minute and a half, you will learn them. 4 shapes, 4 colors. I will just very quickly tell you. The first one is a circle or round. Circle, round. It has no corners. The second one is a square. How many corners do you think a square has? Let me tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square. Next. It's a longer word, but it's not too difficult. Rectangle. Rectangle is bigger than a square. It also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle. Next one is a triangle. Triangle has 3 corners. Triangle. Some people like to do it this way. You see triangle? Alright, triangle. And the last shape that I would like to share is this. A heart shape. You know, many people like to do this, they like to do this. All this is heart, but we call it a heart shape. So what are the shapes that we've done today? We've done circle or round, square, rectangle, and triangle. Now we're going to do 4 interesting colors over here. What color do you think this is? If you said white, very good. This is white. How about this? This is pink. What about this? If you said it's blue, excellent. And the last one, what do you think this color is? Correct, purple. So what are the 4 colors that we learned today? White, pink, blue, and purple. So let me know if you like any other colors, any other shapes. Till we meet the next time. Bye!